Welcome to your tropical oasis. Transform your small space into a lush, tropical retreat with our budget-friendly DIY tips. Whether it's your front porch, front yard, or indoor garden, we have the perfect ideas to bring the vibrant beauty of the tropics to your doorstep. Dive into greenery, color, and texture that will make your home feel like a luxurious getaway. Creating a tropical front porch oasis. Large leafy plants. Incorporate large leafy plants like monstera, philodendron, or palms in colorful decorative pots. Vertical space. Utilize vertical space with hanging planters or wall-mounted pots. Plants like ferns, pothos, or trailing ivy are ideal. Tropical decor. Add bright tropical-themed cushions and rugs. Look for bold patterns and vibrant colors to make the space pop. Budget-friendly front yard landscaping. Native plants. Choose native, low-maintenance plants that thrive in your climate. Flowering plants. Add flowering plants like hibiscus, bird of paradise, and bougainvillea for vibrant color. Hardscape elements. Include gravel paths, stepping stones, and small water features to add structure and interest to your yard. Maximizing small spaces with vertical gardens. Wall-mounted planters. Install planters on your walls and fill them with a mix of trailing and upright plants. Trellises. Use trellises to support climbing plants like jasmine or passion flower. Hanging planters. Hang planters from your porch ceiling or balcony for added greenery without taking up floor space. DIY tropical water features. Fountain. Create a simple DIY fountain with a water pump, a large bowl, and decorative stones. Mini pond. Use a large planter or basin to create a small pond. Add aquatic plants and small fish for a complete look. Incorporating tropical decor elements. Natural materials. Decorate with items made from bamboo, rattan, or teak. Colorful textiles. Use vibrant cushions, rugs, and throws to add color and texture. Tropical accents. Add decorative items like tiki torches, lanterns, or tropical-themed art. Small space furniture solutions. Multifunctional furniture. Choose pieces that serve multiple purposes, like a bench with storage or a fold-out table. Portable pieces. Select lightweight portable furniture that can be easily moved and rearranged. Colorful cushions. Add comfort and style with colorful cushions and pillows, creating cozy seating areas. Comfortable seating. Arrange chairs, benches, and loungers to create inviting seating areas. Outdoor rug. Define your seating space with an outdoor rug. Pillows and throws. Add pillows and throws for extra coziness and warmth. Indoor tropical garden ideas. Lush plants. Choose low-maintenance indoor plants like ferns, palms, and peace lilies. Shelves and hanging planters. Use shelves and hanging planters to display your plants and create a jungle-like effect. Grouping plants. Group plants of different sizes and heights for a more natural look. DIY indoor terrariums. Small plants. Use small plants that thrive in humid environments, such as mosses, ferns, and air plants. Decorative elements. Add decorative elements like small rocks, shells, or miniature figurines. Bright indirect light. Keep your terrarium in a spot with bright indirect light to ensure the plants thrive, enhancing indoor spaces with tropical textiles. Vibrant curtains. Use curtains with bold tropical patterns. Pillows and throws. Mix different textures and materials for a cozy, luxurious look. Coordinated colors. Choose colors that complement your overall tropical theme. Tropical lighting solutions. Ambient lighting. Use lanterns, string lights, and table lamps to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Task lighting. Ensure you have adequate lighting for reading or other activities. Accent lighting. Highlight your decor with accent lighting such as spotlights or fairy lights. Maintaining your tropical space. Regular maintenance. Water and prune your plants regularly. Clean furniture. Keep your furniture clean and well maintained. Organic care. Use organic fertilizers and pest control methods to keep your plants healthy. Conclusion. Transforming a small space into a tropical paradise is possible with creativity and budget-friendly tips. Embrace the beauty of nature and let your home blossom into a tropical haven. Join us on this tropical journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY home and garden ideas. Share your tropical transformations with us using #TropicalDIY. Let's create beautiful green spaces together.